clear that we have withdrawn our support to the Biren Singh-led government. So it is very specific to him, to the individual. If we see that there's a change in the leadership, and if we see that there's a positive step forward, and if we see that there is a plan to move forward to find resolution, and we can constructively cooperate and contribute to ensuring that the peace and the normalcy will return, then we are happy to be working. But we'll see the situation. It's difficult to say right now. So specifically saying it's right now it's the Biren Singh-led government, which we strongly feel our party leaders, our MLAs from Manipur, our state committee from Manipur strongly feels that we as a party have lost confidence in that, and that is the reason we have decided not to support the Biren Singh-led government. Yes, we have been seeing this in the past 1.5 year, 1 year, 8 months, 9 months in fact. Different incidents have taken place where in different situations different houses of MLAs were vandalized, and even physical attack was there on large number of MLAs. It is unfortunate. It's really unfortunate that these kind of things happened. It's not the way forward to ensure that we find solution, but we can understand that the sentiments of the people is running very high, and these kind of actions, though they may not be a specific plan as such, but it does happen because the sentiments, as I said, are high. But having said that, we're hopeful that a serious note should be taken about what's happening in Manipur, and we're hopeful that positive steps will be taken to see that normalcy would return, peace and law and order would come back in the state of Manipur, and that's really what we are hoping for. And as a party, as the second largest party of Manipur, we are happy to cooperate and work in a positive way to find a solution to this problem.